Hey guys, we have this single leg lying hamstring curl, which today is a great one to help out any imbalances, so to build symmetry and some serious posterior power. When you lay down on the pad, pro tip here, lightly press your hips into the pad and then slightly externally rotate that leg. So this is going to keep the hamstrings and the glutes working together, not just your calves trying to be the hero here, which is what will often happen. You'll try to tense up those calves to bring the weight up. So brace your core, press your hips into the pad, no floating buns, and then you're going to curl your heel up towards your glute, keeping tension the whole way, and really squeeze at the top. Really feel the bottom of that glute tapping into the top of that hamstring. And this is where the reps money is like, this is the money shot for it, okay? So then you're going to control the weight down. Don't let gravity do the work. Your hamstrings need to do the work. And watch your alignment. Don't rotate or twist your hips to cheat, to compensate for any extra weight load. Repeat all those steps on each leg before switching sides. Don't rush and feel that burn.